Hey guys, welcome back to my another video. So in the last video, we have written an organized code of this node mailer, and in the last video, I have told you to I will show you how you can send this, how you can send the HTML from your Node.js server using node mailer. Okay, so in the last video, we have written this code. We have created this class and transporter, and from the index file, we are using this slash endpoint for sending the mail. So I have written this code right now where we are using the mail endpoint and which is a post request where we are getting this receiver id subject text and html from the body. And what we are doing, we are getting a mail object from mail class, then we are setting the receiver id. Basically this is the mail id of receiver, then subject. After that we have text and html from front end. We will get it from front end basically. So let's check it, is it working or not. Go to your I'm using an extension named Thunder client for sending request, doing post request. So first we have to start our server. Okay. So what we have to write here, you have to write 9000 because writing. I'm using the 9000 port and mail endpoint. Then this is subject email. Okay, we have to erase it. And what we need here, we need receiver subject text. Okay, let's copy once. Receiver id, we have already subject here. Then what we need, text I think. After that we need html. Okay, so receiver id, let me enter my id here, ritik0@gmail.com. Then text, this is my text and html. So first we have to try, we'll try sending html. Basically I will write here, please. So please subscribe my channel here. Then let's hit the send button. So if you see, we are getting an error, title is error cannot get. So we are requesting in the get, but we have to post here, not dragon. So as you say, email sent, and we receive the response ID. Okay, then go to your mail and check. So if you see, we have received email from Ultimate Coding Biz, whose email ID is this. Let's open it once. So if you see, this is a H1 tag. Please subscribe my channel. So please, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe now. So what can we do here? Let's check out. So try once changing the color of this text. So we are using the inline style right now. Style. Okay. I have to use single quote here because we are using double quote in the JSON. Okay. So style color. Okay, red, only red, and send. So as you see, we have received again. So if you see, we are getting the HTML H1 tag. Please subscribe my channel in the red color. Okay. So this is a quite, what you can say, boring. Sending HTML and writing HTML and sending this in the inline text. So what we can do, we can make it dynamic. Okay. So how can you make it dynamic? In the front end, you can create front end for it, but what we can do here, I will create a HTML file here and I will try to send it. But okay, let me create first paste.html. I've created this HTML content from the ChatGPT and I have pasted here. So if you see, we have a user here and we have to replace it by user name. So let's try to send it right now first. So what can we do here instead of this? Okay, first I have to teach you how you can read any file. So for reading any file, we need a module called fs. So fs equal to require fs. Okay, so to read file, what we have to write? So we do not want to check right now. First we have to read this file. Read file synchronously, and this one, okay, remove that one. Okay, so it is getting, okay, let's make it mail. Okay, it is this file, and write its name mail dot html. Okay, so it sounds good because mail html, and okay, so what we'll need here, we'll get the data, html data. So we'll write html data, and we'll put html data, and also we will console here. Now just try to send this file, I mean this html content. As you see, it is consoling, and also it sends that file, I mean that html content. So let's go here. So if you see, we are getting this. So if you see, we have received this, welcome to our website, dear user. So what we have to do, we have to edit this user to actual username. So suppose we will get username from our front end. So we will put here name here, name. Let it be Ritik Raj. Okay. Then go to your index file. So before setting it, what we have to do, also we have to get name here from here, and remove it here. So keep it down a little bit. HTML dot HTML data dot replace name by actual name. Okay. So now let's try to send this. So go to here, go back once. So as you see, we have received this email right now. Open it one. So as you see, this is the zero minute ago. So if you see this, again it is sending dear user, but we want name of user here. So something went wrong here. Go here, and what we have done wrong name. Okay, go here once. This is username underscore. Okay, copy it here. Okay, we have to replace this from our actual name. Okay, so try on sending this. Email sent successfully. Okay, let it generate response. So this is the response ID. Go to here, go back once, open it. So if you see, we are getting our name, dear Ritik Raj. Okay, so in this way you can generate your own template, and you can edit it as you require. So in the next video, we will see how you can generate actual template like this. We'll show how you can send the image and this type of stuff. So if you find this video interesting and you have learned something new, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe and comment what you have like and what you want more from this video, and in this node mailer series. Okay, so bye, see you in the next video.